Hey guys, your Marty again. This video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the AKG N60 NC wireless headphones that I actually received for free for pre-ordering the Galaxy Note 9. Now, if you remember when you pre-ordered the Galaxy Note 9, you had a couple options whether to choose the headphones for free or Fortnite, the 15,000 V-Bucks points. You could have chose either one, or you could choose both of them, and for just $99. Now I decided to go ahead for the headphones instead, so this is it. I'm pretty sure a lot of people actually chose Fortnite. So in this video, I just want to share these headphones because they do look really damn good, and they're around $300. I was not expecting the free headphones that Samsung was actually sending people was around $300. Honestly, I thought it was around $100, but when I was checking for the price, it does says around $300. So of course, what's special about these is that it says wireless first class noise canceling headphones, fine-tuned for traveling. Over here has detachable cable with control in it as well, and over here in the back it says 15 hours of battery life. Of course, it works via Bluetooth and via cable as well. And here you got some specs there if you want to read there. There you go. But let's go and show you guys what's inside. I already did open them up so I can try them out, and I gotta say they do sound incredible. So these of course are the N series. It says right there in the box. Put this to the side, and here you got the bag. Over here inside you have something more, which I'm going to show you guys right now. You got this plug right here, which is good for traveling when you go on airplanes. This is the plug that actually goes, you see there it says flight adapter. So it's pretty damn cool that they included this. That's cool. So if you want to watch like movies, when you rent movies on the airplanes and all that, this is one good adapter to have. And of course here you got instruction manuals, and basically that's it here. Let's go put this to the side. Cool. It actually brings a very nice bag, which is thick and feels really good. Even the bag feels high-end quality. So let's go and take this out. Headphones. And in the headphones right here, there's in the bag, there's actually another pouch attached with Velcro. And what it does, it holds these cable right here. So you have the 3mm adapter cable, like you see there. Here you got the cable to charge your headphones. And basically that's it. It has all this stuff right here. And these headphones actually fold out really nicely like that. And I like it because it has a very small profile. They look and feel really small, but when you put them on, it just feels perfect. It comes with this, so I can protect this. Look at that. This is like a very nice, cool leather, soft leather with I think silicone in it. It feels really damn good and really soft. So here you got the brand right there in the side. These can actually adjust, and you can see the size of it right there. So you got numbers from 1 to 10. I never seen headphones that has that. This also really nice, smooth leather, and it feels really high end. Over here as well, you got the numbers, AKG brand right there on both sides. And of course here, this is where you would charge your headphones, and this is where you put the headphone jack right there, so you can use it instead of using the battery. You can actually use it without battery. Over here you got the up and down button, or the plus and negative button right there, so you can reduce volume as well. And over here you got options as well to skip forward, skip back, and noise canceling button as well. And it actually turns on there as well, like you see there. Really damn cool. And I already did try these headphones, and I gotta say they do sound incredible. I can't believe it how awesome they do sound. But damn, when I searched for the price, it's actually said like $300 on Amazon, on Best Buy, and I just can't believe headphones like these, because yes, they do sound incredible, and the build quality feels really damn good. But $300 good? Damn. I don't know. For me, it would be hard for me to pay $300 for headphones like these, because yes, they do look and sound great, But man, I don't think they sound $300 great, but they do look really damn good. And I like the way they fold up like that. I like the way they fold up, and you put them in the bag, and it feels, you know, this bag you can carry it anywhere. And since it has a little pouch inside as well, like see there, it has a little pouch in there, you can put some more stuff there too and just save it like that. So yeah, that's the cool thing about these headphones. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this short video with you guys, just to let you know that if you didn't pre-order, if you didn't choose these headphones, you might regret it, man, because they do sound incredible. The build quality is really good, and then reality, you know, I search everywhere and it says that they are worth around $300. That's insane. But yes, noise canceling as well. They call this 3D Axis, something like that. 3D Axis folding headphones. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I wanted to share this video with you guys, so you guys can see the N60 AKG headphones that were actually being given away by Samsung for pre-ordering the Galaxy Note 9. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.